Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll start with the basics and gradually move on to more advanced topics. *1. Crocodiles have existed for more than 200 million years and are considered living fossils. 2. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile, reaching lengths over 7 meters, 23 feet. 3. Crocodiles inhabit tropical and subtropical regions of Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. 4. They are carnivores, feeding on fish, birds, mammals, and occasionally other reptiles. 5. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force of any animal, capable of exerting over 2,000 pounds per square inch. 6. Their teeth are cone-shaped and can be replaced up to 3,000 times during a lifetime. 7. Despite having many teeth, crocodiles cannot chew. They tear their prey into chunks. 8. Many crocodiles swallow small stones, which aid digestion by grinding food in the stomach. 9. They can hold their breath underwater for more than an hour by slowing their heart rate. 10. Crocodiles' eyes, ears, and nostrils are located on top of their heads, allowing them to see and breathe while mostly submerged. 11. They are excellent swimmers, reaching speeds up to 35 kilometers per hour, 22 miles per hour in water. 12. On land, they can sprint short distances up to 17 kilometers per hour, 11 miles per hour. 13. Their skin is covered with tough, armored scales called scuts. 14. Crocodiles lay eggs. The incubation temperature determines the sex of the offspring. 15. Females guard their nests and help hatchlings reach water. 16. Crocodiles have excellent night vision, hearing, and a keen sense of smell. 17. Their tongues are fixed to the bottom of their mouths and cannot stick out. 18. Some crocodiles can live up to 70 to 100 years. A few individuals have been documented older than 100. 19. They perform a death roll to dismember large prey. 20. Despite the saying, crocodile tears are real and are produced to remove excess salt and debris from the eyes. 21. Saltwater crocodiles can live in both freshwater and saltwater, thanks to specialized salt glands. 22. Crocodiles regulate their body temperature by basking in the sun or moving into the shade. 23. They play a key role in ecosystems by controlling prey populations and recycling nutrients. 24. Crocodiles communicate through vocalizations, body postures, and movements. 25. Their hearts have 4 chambers, like birds and mammals. 26. They exhibit parental care uncommon in reptiles, including guarding young for weeks or months. 27. Crocodiles can sense vibrations in the water to detect prey or threats. 28. Their scales contain bones called osteoderms that provide protection. 29. Crocodiles can open their jaws with tremendous force but lack the muscles to open them wide. 30. They have a unique secondary palate allowing them to breathe while their mouths are full of water or food. 31. Crocodiles' immune systems are highly effective, making their wounds less prone to infection. 32. The gharial is a crocodilian with a very narrow snout adapted for fish eating. 33. Crocodiles use heat sensors in their jaws to detect warm-blooded prey. 34. They can gallop across short distances on land. 35. Crocodiles often share nesting sites with turtles. 36. Some species have territorial behaviors, while others are more social. 37. They can shrink or expand blood vessels to conserve body heat. 38. Crocodiles have a third eyelid called a nictitating membrane for underwater vision. 39. Their teeth are held in sockets, unlike alligators that have teeth fitted into a ridge. 40. Crocodiles make growling sounds for communication. 41. Male crocodiles often perform impressive displays during mating season. 42. Juvenile crocodiles have brighter and more varied skin patterns than adults. 43. The largest recorded saltwater crocodile was over 7 meters long and weighed 2,000 kilograms. 44. They are apex predators and have no natural enemies except humans. 45. Crocodiles have complex social hierarchies in some populations. 46. They hunt both by ambush and active stalking. 47. Crocodiles have a slow metabolism compared to mammals. 48. They can survive without food for months by slowing down physiological processes. 49. Their intelligence is among the highest of reptiles. 50. Crocodile leather is highly valued for luxury goods. 51. Crocodile populations are threatened by habitat destruction and hunting. 52. Some species are listed as vulnerable or endangered. 53. Crocodiles shed tears when eating to drain their salt glands. 54. Their nostrils close tightly when underwater. 55. Crocodiles have been kept in captivity for centuries for farming and research. 56. The saltwater crocodile is known for its exceptional ability to travel long distances at sea. 57. The death roll can last several seconds to minutes, depending on the prey. 58. Crocodiles' limbs are muscular and adapted for rapid bursts of movement. 59. They have webbed feet to aid swimming. 60. Crocodiles have a keen sense of taste. 61. Some cultures include crocodile meat as traditional food. 62. Crocodiles have been part of mythology and folklore worldwide. 63. They can produce numerous vocalizations, including hisses and bellows. 64. Temperature-dependent sex determination allows populations to adjust to environmental changes. 65. Crocodiles' brains have structures linked to social behavior and learning. 66. They can recognize individual humans in some cases. 67. Hatchlings use their voices to signal mothers when ready to hatch. 68. Crocodiles are often used as keystone species for conservation efforts. 69. The bones in crocodile scales help with thermoregulation. 70. Crocodiles bask in groups, sometimes with other reptile species. 71. Their teeth are not sharp for cutting but strong for gripping slippery prey. 72. They can accurately discern prey size and species from a distance. 73. Crocodiles can survive in drought conditions by burrowing into mud. 74. Some crocodiles rub their bodies on abrasive surfaces to remove parasites. 75. Juveniles communicate differently than adults. 76. Crocodile eggs are vulnerable to flooding and temperature shifts. 77. They can swim underwater for up to 45 minutes actively. 78. Crocodiles recognize and avoid dangerous animals. 79. Their sensitivity to water vibrations helps in low-visibility hunting. 80. Crocodiles molt their skin regularly. 81. The African slender-snouted crocodile is adapted for catching fish with a narrow snout. 82. Salt glands help expel salt from their bodies. 83. Crocodiles can tolerate low oxygen conditions underwater. 84. They can close off their nostrils and throat to prevent water entry. 85. Crocodiles have a unique auditory system adapted for water and air hearing. 86. They can increase heart rate dramatically during hunting. 87. Crocodile jaws shut with 12,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. 88. Some crocodiles exhibit cooperative hunting behaviors. 89. Crocodiles often rest with mouths open to cool down. 90. They can cover large territories in search of food and mates. 91. Certain crocodiles use environmental cues for migration. 92. Crocodiles have UV-sensitive cells to detect prey and predators. 93. Their liver assists in buoyancy control. 94. Crocodiles use scent marking for territory. 95. They have paddle-shaped tails for propulsion. 96. Crocodiles can tolerate a range of water salinity. 97. They have electroreceptors to detect electric fields created by prey. 98. Crocodiles' lung structure allows efficient oxygen exchange. 99. Crocodiles have a highly specialized digestive system for meat and bones. 100. Their evolutionary success is due to their adaptability and powerful physiology.